In this video, I will show with you step by step how to create Claude AI accounts. So friends, follow me in this video guide. First, go to Google, search for Claude AI. Click the first website here. You will see this page. You can use your email from here, and then you can log in with your email, or you can write your email and then click continue. This email, click try Claude on the top right corner. This is the option. After that, choose your email. After that, when you write your email here, for example, this email, click continue with this email, and then you will get your email to verification. So friends, you will get your email to verification. As you can see here, just await, open your, click continue this email, and then just await. You will redirect it to this page. As you can see here, just await. I sign up with my email, and then you will see this Claude AI page. Click accept and then click create accounts. After that, just click create accounts. Choose the plan if you want to premium. Click use free if you want to free plan. Skip this option, and then you will open the dashboard successfully without any problem. Write your name and then click continue. This is how you can do. Choose the category here. After that, click this one, and then complete your process as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this